Hi, Jeremy. I have another quick question for you. So, how should I determine whether a stock is tradable for the day? So, what rules are there? Whether I don't know whether it's too choppy for the day. I mean, sometimes I feel like I like enter, then I get chopped out, then I enter again, I get chopped out again, and then I have my rules to not lose anymore for the day, and then it takes off. Or I'm just like depressed and don't want to enter again and it takes off. Like, what rules should I use to determine whether to trade a stock or maybe wait for another day on the stock and just trade another stock for this day? Thank you so much.
Simon, what is up, stud? Hope you're doing absolutely terrific, my man. Answer to your question, how do you know if you should day trade a particular stock that day? Especially if you have a list of 5 or 6 of the same stocks every single day. Well, the very first thing you want to make sure you do is it either opens or gaps above or eventually takes out the high of day or low of day of the prior day's candle. That will create momentum, stop people out, trigger breakouts, and cause some really nice moves, either bullish or bearish, for the day. You are the man. Thanks so much. Hope you're doing fantastic.